Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, fuel efficient, and low miles, and has been listed as an IIHS Top Safety Pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2016 Optima. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, tires, rear all-season, 4-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors, remote trunk release. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.